All right, number 2, it says, what is the radius of the inscribed circle? And the triangles inside your 12, 13, and 5. Going to the whiteboard. My goal here is to try to understand the question. And the first thing I notice is a triangle. This is problem number 2. And I want to point out, I'm kind of recognizing the numbers, but if not, I want to verify it anyway. And we're getting sides 12, 13, and 5. I'm going to say it looks like a Pythagorean triplet, but I'll verify it for you. 12, that's going to be 5, and this is going to be 13 over here, all right? I'm not saying it's perfectly drawn, but it's enough for me to understand what the triangle looks like. Let me verify this, though. It's going to be 5 squared plus 12 squared is equal to 13 squared. Let me just verify that's true. You get 25 plus 144 equals 169. Certainly true. Got a right triangle. Now again, I want to go back and read it to you. It says, what's the radius of the inscribed circle? So there's going to be a circle in here. It's going to inscribed circle over here. It's an inscribed circle. Right in over here. It's got some radius over here. I'll just say its radius is R. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this into 3 separate triangles. And the 3 separate triangles, I'm going to say there's a center over here. Again, I'm not saying this is drawn perfectly, but the center of this thing is going to be the center of the circle. And so I see a triangle here. And I want to point out, I know something about the area of that triangle. And by the way, there's going to be a triangle over here as well. There's a radius there too, by the way. And there's going to be a radius over here and another triangle. And I'm seeing 3 triangles over here. So let's do the big triangle first, the big one, a total triangle, total area. 1/2 times the base times the height of it, which is 5. That's going to be 30, right? Now what I want to do is I want to talk about the separate triangles now. And let me just talk about the triangle I'm going to do over here. I'm going to do the, whoops, maybe I'm going too far with that. I get a different color pen out. I'm going to do this triangle here. All right, just this one right here. And I got 30. It's a total triangle. So 30. Let's just do the red one now. It's going to be 1/2 times the base of that, which is 12, times the height of it, which is just the radius of that circle. All right? Let's do the next one. The next one I want to do is this triangle over here. Plus 1/2 times the base of that, which is 5, times the height of that, which is just going to be the radius of the circle. And let's do our next one. Plus this last triangle. What do you get there? 1/2. The base of that's 13. And the height of that is still the radius of that circle. So I think I'm okay to go and add it all together, see what the R is. I think that's their question. I'll go back and read it again to you. This is 30. Whoops, let me go back to black ink. 30. Kind of 2. That's going to be 12R plus 5R plus 13R. Let's see, 60. I'm multiplying both sides by 2. 12 and 5 is 17. 17 and 13 is going to be 30. And so R is 2. Let me go back and read the question again, see if I've answered it. And it says, what's the radius of the inscribed circle? The radius is 2. And we're done. Thank you.